Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 9, leçon E. And in this lesson we'll see together something quite useful, and it's les articles à la forme négative, because it can be tricky in some cases, and I have been students who've been asking me, are they transformed, do they stay the same if you put the sentence at the negative form? So that's what we'll see in this lesson. Okay, so we'll see first the indéfini and the partitive. Okay, so les indéfinis et les partitifs. All right, so indéfini, it would be translated as a in English. Okay, and then the partitive something. All right, and then we will work on les articles définis, so the in English. Okay, so but then first let's see indéfini et partitif. Okay, so let's see the example for the article indéfini at the masculine form, like un, for instance. And then let's see how it goes. Il a un chien. Okay, un chien, a dog. And here we've got the verb avoir. Okay, il a un chien. So a dog. Okay, so keep in mind that if you want to transform this sentence at the negative form, then il n'a pas de chien. So you can see that un here will become de here. All right, so that's the first thing that you've got to keep in mind if you want to use these articles. So article indéfini, and you want to put the sentence like in that case at the negative form, then un will become de. Okay, so let's see the example for the feminine form now. Une. Il y a, there is, remember, une manifestation, demonstration. Il y a une manifestation. So if we want to put this sentence at the negative form, il n'y a pas de manifestation. So you can see that this article une becomes de at the negative form. All right. So what about the plural now? Des, and then j'achète des lunettes. Je n'achète pas de lunettes. Okay, des lunettes, glasses. Acheter, to buy. J'achète des lunettes. So you can see that it will be exactly the same rule. So des becomes de. Okay, so what we've got here, un is becoming de, then une is becoming de, and after that you've got des, and it's becoming de as well. Okay, and this is for what we call les articles indéfinis, so in English. Okay, and then let's see now for the les partitifs. Okay, so if you want to introduce this something concept, let's see now. Je bois du café. Boire is to drink, and then when you've got this du café, well, really it's some coffee. You don't specify the quantity, so it's really what we call partitif. Okay, je bois du café. So this is the masculine form here, du. And if you look carefully, negative form, je ne bois pas de café. So you can see that du is becoming de at the negative form. All right. Second example, de la. Okay, so it's for the feminine form. Elle prend, prendre is to take, de la tarte. Tarte is pie. Some, okay, would be this de la tarte. Negative form, elle ne prend pas de tarte. So you can see that this de la will become de at the negative form. All right? So what can we say if we've got un, une, or then des? So what we saw previously, so this indéfini, article indéfini, or then if we've got du, de, or de la, as we saw previously, so what we call les partitifs. Okay, if you want to put, well, them in a sentence, and the sentence is at the negative form, then you will not use them, but instead you will use de or des apostrophe if you've got a word with a vowel after or the sound of a vowel. Okay, that's really something quite important, and you should try to remember this rule because it is quite useful, especially because we tend to use quite often. I mean, negative forms. I mean, it's not really rare. Okay, so it is one main rule that you should keep in mind. But of course, in French, we've got exceptions, and the exception is this structure or this form that we've got, c'est, it is, or this is. Okay, so when we use this c'est, we'll see a few examples now. Here, c'est un champion. Okay, un champion, a champion. So c'est, this is, it is, un champion. Okay, and if you want to, well, put the same sentence at the negative form, well, look, ce n'est pas un champion. So you will keep your article as you had previously here, un. It doesn't change. Feminine form, c'est une amie. Okay. Negative form, ce n'est pas une amie. Feminine, it's exactly the same rule, so une will stay here. You don't modify it. And for the plural, ce sont des produits naturels. Okay. Produits, products, naturels, natural. Ce ne sont pas des produits naturels. All right, so what can we say about that? Oh, sorry, we've got the partitive as well. So, du, so same thing, c'est du chocolat noir, okay? Chocolate, and then noir, it's black, so dark if you want. C'est du chocolat noir, okay? Négation, ce n'est pas du chocolat noir, okay? So here we've got the partitive and it's still the same here, du and du, okay? So partitif féminin, c'est de la vanille, ce n'est pas de la vanille. So de la is here and it's still here for the negative form, okay? Vanille, vanilla. All right, so now we can have the rule. So when we've got un, une, and then des, so what we saw, les articles indéfinis, or then if we've got du, de le, or de la, okay, so in that case it's the partitive. Remember that if you use them with c'est at the negative form, they will stay exactly the same. Okay, so that's the main rule that you've got to keep in mind with these articles. So indéfini or then with the partitive. If you use them in normal structures, then they will change and they will become de or des apostrophe as we saw previously. But if you use these articles or then the partitive with c'est, in that case, they don't change when you put them at the negative form. Okay, so now we'll see the definite, so les articles définis, okay? And so we've got for the masculine le, okay, so it's the equivalent as at the in English, but then we've got the difference between the masculine, the feminine, and the plural. So le, have a look at this. Je prends le train, okay? Prendre is to take, le train, the train, okay? Je ne prends pas le train, okay? So the article doesn't change at all. You just put it back, even if it's the negative form. It doesn't change, okay? So feminine, elle aime la musique. Aimer is to like or to love, okay? Elle aime la musique, the music. Elle n'aime pas la musique. It doesn't change at all. Les, plural form, nous détestons les olives noires, okay? Détester, to hate, okay? Olives, and then noir, black. Nous détestons les olives noires. Negative form, nous ne détestons pas les olives noires. Okay? In that case, it doesn't change. So you can see le doesn't change, la doesn't change, and les doesn't change either. Alright, so the rule is quite simple. If you've got in your structures le, la, or les, and you want to have this structure at the negative form, then they will stay exactly the same. They won't change. Alright? And that's it. If you want more videos, then remember youtube.com/imagier, and the website www.imagier.net is waiting for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.